welcome back to Life on Vibes, my God bless family. On today's video upload, the young girls have been set loose in the kitchen and they are making pizza. And oh, this is Gabrielle. This has been sent in by one of my subscribers. It's her pet parrot who also loves Life on Vibes TV. Take a look, take a listen and enjoy. Like, share and subscribe.
Realize I'm full of dreams, achieving my enemies, yeah. I've never given up.
Yeah, that's the upload.
No matter what they say. I'm never giving up. No matter what they say. Straight to the top of rising.
Whoa, yeah,
I do it for my sons. I do it on my ones. I'm never giving up. No matter what they say. Straight to the top of rising and I'll never stop. I do it for my sons all day long. I do it on my ones. Today and fly. Come check the lady UKA. Why I'm home. Come on, new skit. I'm designed to kick the flavor now. Some of them will listen and some of them's asleep, but I know you're hip to this. So don't you ever quit till it's over. When I get the vibe, I kick the brag. But if I got to slam my mama jam, I get sober. Like a push, I give a rap chunky supply. So come and get your fix from this human beings cooking my tricks. If I want to bring it down low, I want my ground pound sound. I surround you. Now I got you checking my flow. To favor your names, the lady you can run my shop and amaze you. So you never had another one flex. Text like never had another flex. Text like this, ever had another one flex. Text like ever had another flex. Text like this. I'm never giving up, no matter what they say. Straight to the top of rising and I'll never stop. I do it for my sons all day long. I do it on my ones. Yeah, I'm never giving up, no matter what they say. Straight to the top of rising and I'll never stop. I do it for my sons all day long. I do it on my ones. Just to get a plus and understood I got a cost. So now I gotta hit them with the whole caboose to reduce and abuse. Cut loose and infuse juice, putting all the misuse to good use. Nothing like the paraphernalia happening in America. Reduce them to a bragger and I label them a failure. I'm cool as hypothermia, harder than any murderer. Ripping up any opponent, I watch me get commended for it. Figuring out my flimsy, you know. And I'm rugged and formidable. My chronicle is visual and audible. My toxic chemical is round, sound surround. So start shaking, I'm moving all around to my big box swinger. It's the real humding. I'm squeezing triggers on my niggas when I'm hot like a singer. Honey, I'll do it every time. I won't resign till you back off and let me get mine. I'm never giving up, no matter what they say.
Yeah.
Straight to the top of rising and I'll never stop. I do it for my sons all day long. I do it on my ones. Yeah, I'm never giving up, no matter what they say. Straight to the top of rising and I'll never stop. I do it for my sons all day long. I do it on my ones. I'm never giving up, no matter what they say. Straight to the top of rising and I'll never stop. I do it for my sons all day long. I do it on my ones. This one's for the fatherless, homeless, the shelterless. I'm taking, yes, I'm taking. Acres of land in Africa, I'm taking. Conquer the evil, trample and mash up the leaders. Put on the love for the people. I'm taking, yes, I'm taking. Acres of land in Africa, I'm taking. Conquer the evil, trample and mash up the leaders. Put on the love for the people. African queen from the African land. I come to tell the whole of them about the situation. Black people better understand. understand. Babylon plan for elimination. Some of them are come to the front, some of them are sliding through the back door. And I shared everything that I got. When I look and see, so they still want more. So I'm taking it back. All of the acres of land in Africa. From Ghana, straight to Nigeria. Then I run it back and buck them up in Botswana. I'm a headhunter, and I do it for the dead ones. So many years, so many millions. So many tears, so many civilians. My ancestors are still owed trillions. So I'm taking, yes I'm taking. Acres of land in Africa I'm taking. Conquer the evil, trample and mash up the leaders. Put on the love for the people. I'm taking, yes I'm taking. Acres of land in Africa I'm taking. Conquer the evil, trample and mash up the leaders. Put on the love for the people. Call me Shaka Zulu with the spear. I come to run every single one of them out of here. Physical and spiritual warfare. Bricks come tumbling and everywhere. World domination is your plan. Recolonization of black people, your mission. I awake from the dream and vision. I awake from the dream and vision. Packed with a heart full of love so that I can let loose upon the wickedness done by the son of man. Guns and man, for you to understand you got to be African. My motherland is the focus of every man I see. So many different nations, the English, the China man, I see the Indian. But all I wanna see is my Africans united and standing strong as one. So I'm taking, yes I'm taking. Acres of land in Africa I'm taking. Conquer the evil, trample and mash up the leaders. Put on the love for the people. I'm taking, yes I'm taking. Acres of land in Africa I'm taking. Conquer the evil, trample and mash up the leaders. Put on the love for the people. Take it, we're gonna take it. Take it, we're gonna take it. Take it, we're gonna take it. The youth and the future, we're gonna shape it. Take it, we're gonna take it. Take it, we're gonna take it. Take it, we're gonna take it. The youth and the future, we're gonna shape it. Wake up and rise, brother man. Open up your eyes, see strength. No sleep or slumbering. No wonder they can't put you under. Wake up and rise, brother man. Open up your eyes, see strength. No sleep or slumbering. No wonder they can't put you under. Wake it in the morning, I open my eyes, it's done and I'm yawning. Just another force of habit since the day that I was born in. The well of many people have been surviving this overdrive. What am I talking about? You still haven't a clue. Well, what do you know? Time to revive. I got to lecture them like a chronicle. I was checking the tabloid when I flipped on the front page. All around, snaps of the big black chap getting shot while 6 fat devils in black true blood. Well now, I got the vibe and let the UK run paper. I got to get my head together as I be putting my pen to paper. Portraying a definition of another type of living. Kinda like your Thanksgiving or taking a no giving. You're labeling me consumer, I'm just a number, I'm a statistic. So if I'm feeling optimistic, I'll be going semi-automatic. The story was dramatic, all laws call static. When every word fanatic becomes a systematic. Wake up and rise, brother man. Open up your eyes, see strength. No sleep or slumbering. No wonder they can't put you under. Wake up and rise, brother man. Open up your eyes, see strength. No sleep or slumbering. No wonder they can't put you under. First of all, an immigrant came from afar. Although she was highly ambitious, still she couldn't get far. Every day she living in a squalor, while having dreams of a scholar. Although she got a white collar, still she couldn't make a dollar. Now when she gazing at the yellow, Caucasians and the Negro, the pushers and the pimps and the poles and the Friday night hoes. The lady of the hour, I'm packing heat to overpower. Cause the matter what they the system says I got to make do. All working and no playing when I be busting a sweat. Doing all this and all that to be going up and over. And Mr. Bureaucrat, Democrat, chat, crap and patronize. It's just a pack of lies. We got to break and organize. And up and on the rise, we're gonna increase in size. So, Mr. Much Money and Mr. Upstatus, we got to put it up back into the ghetto, cause you know it's to save us. Mr. Much Money and Mr. Upstatus. Wake up and rise, brother man. Wake up. Open up your eyes, see straight. No sleep or slumbering. No wonder they can't put you under. Wake up and rise, brother man. Wake up. Open up your eyes, see straight. No sleep or slumbering. No wonder they can't put you under.
They paying for it. You're paying for it, bro. Yeah, I'm paying.
I don't even know what I'm saying
You had your interview too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, man.
Come and let me whisper words in your ear.
That's what it look like.
Please be wise and beware. Look and see the test of the times in the atmosphere. Look and see some just don't care. Come and let me whisper words in your ear. Get the youth, please be wise and beware. Look and see the test of the times in the atmosphere. Look and see some just don't care. Although some of them will listen when I say time has come. Some of them will end up dead or in prison. When getting rich or die, try and ease the reason.
Life is Vibes TV, Daily Youth King. Watch it. Boy better know. Tune in, like, share, and subscribe. We're here. Life, good vibes for the friends and family. Chilling you. Life and Vibes.